Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance woes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling a frustrating issue that's been popping up on Miele washing machines in 2025. Error code 55. If your machine is flashing this code, don't panic. It's often something you can fix at home with a few basic tools and some patience. First off, let's understand what error code 55 means. In Miele washing machines, this code typically indicates a problem with the water drainage system. It could be due to a clogged drain pump, a kinked hose, or even a faulty sensor. This error prevents the machine from completing its cycle, leaving you with wet clothes and a headache. But the good news is, it's one of the more common and fixable errors out there. To start troubleshooting, ensure your washing machine is unplugged for safety. Begin by checking the drain filter, usually located at the bottom front of the machine. Unscrew the cover, remove any lint, coins, or debris that's built up, and give it a good clean. Once that's done, inspect the drain hose for any bends or blockages. Straighten it out if needed and make sure it's securely connected. Next, try resetting the machine. Press and hold the start button for about 10 seconds, or unplug the machine for a full minute before plugging it back in. Run a test cycle with no laundry to see if the error persists. If it does, you might need to check the pump itself. Sometimes, it's just a matter of clearing out stubborn gunk. Remember, if these steps don't resolve the issue, it's time to call in a professional technician. Miele machines are built to last, but they do require expert handling for more complex problems. By addressing error code 55 early, you can save time, money, and keep your laundry routine running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay handy.